Breakups. They're a universal experience, a gut-wrenching roller coaster of emotions that can leave us feeling lost, confused, and utterly heartbroken. It's easy to feel swept away by the tide of sadness, the overwhelming sense that things will never be okay again. But here's the truth. Healing is possible, even when it feels impossible. This video is your guide to navigating the choppy waters of heartbreak. We'll explore practical steps you can take to mend your broken heart and rebuild your life with greater strength. 1. Accepting the reality. The first step is acknowledging the reality of the situation. As much as it hurts, the relationship is over. Holding on to the past will only prolong the pain. Give yourself permission to grieve, to feel the full range of emotions that come with this experience. It's okay to feel lost, confused, angry, or even relieved. Don't judge your emotions. Simply allow yourself to feel them without judgment. Remember, acceptance doesn't mean forgetting the good times, but rather recognizing that the relationship has run its course. 2. Processing your emotions. Don't bottle up your feelings. Let them flow freely. Cry, scream into a pillow, write in a journal, whatever helps you release the pent-up emotions. Talk to a trusted friend or family member, or even consider seeking professional help from a therapist. Talking about your experience can provide valuable perspective and emotional release. Remember, you're not alone in this. Many people have faced the pain of heartbreak, and there are resources available to support you through this difficult time. 3. Focusing on self-care. Now is the time to prioritize your well-being. Engage in activities that nourish your body and soul. Exercise releases endorphins, which can naturally elevate your mood and combat stress. Spend time in nature. The calming effect of being outdoors can be incredibly therapeutic. Indulge in hobbies you enjoy, whether it's reading, painting, playing music, or anything else that brings you joy. Self-care is not selfish. It's essential for building your resilience and paving the way for healing. Prioritize getting enough sleep, eating healthy foods, and engaging in relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing. Taking care of your physical and mental health will provide the foundation for emotional healing. 4. Rebuilding your support system. Lean on your loved ones during this difficult time. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who understand what you're going through. Their love and encouragement will be a vital source of strength as you navigate the healing journey. Reconnect with old friends, join a support group, or seek out new connections with people who share your interests. Having a strong support system can provide a sense of belonging and remind you that you are not alone. 5. Rediscovering your identity. Breakups can sometimes leave us feeling like we've lost a part of ourselves. But this is an opportunity to rediscover who you truly are. Reconnect with old passions you may have neglected during the relationship, or explore entirely new interests that spark your curiosity. Set goals that bring you joy and fulfillment, whether it's learning a new skill, pursuing a creative endeavor, or volunteering in your community. Remember, you are more than just your past relationship. This is a chance to define yourself on your own terms and build a life that reflects your authentic self. 6. Letting go of resentment. Holding on to anger and resentment towards your ex will only hinder your healing. Forgive them, not for their sake, but for your own. Release the negativity and choose to move forward with a lighter heart. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning their actions or forgetting the hurt they caused. It's about letting go of the emotional burden that keeps you chained to the past. Choose to focus on your own healing and cultivate compassion for yourself and your ex. 7. Avoiding unhealthy coping mechanisms. Breakups can tempt us to engage in unhealthy behaviors like substance abuse, isolation, or revenge seeking. Resist these urges. They might offer temporary relief, but ultimately, they will set you back on your healing path. Substance abuse can numb the pain, but only creates further problems down the line. Isolation might feel safe in the moment, but hinders the emotional support you need. Revenge seeking only perpetuates negativity and prevents you from moving forward. Focus on building healthy habits that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Spend time with loved ones, engage in physical activity, practice mindfulness techniques, and seek professional help if needed. Remember, healthy coping mechanisms will empower you to heal and thrive. Healing after a breakup takes time and patience. There will be setbacks, but with each step forward, you gain strength and resilience. Remember, brighter days are ahead. Embrace the future with an open heart, knowing that you have the power to heal and thrive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and share it with someone who might be going through a similar experience. And remember, you've got this. The Mind Detective is here to support you on your journey to healing.